G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Got a quick unboxing for you. This has just arrived on my doorstep. This is the new Jura J8 Twin automatic coffee machine, which I don't know a hell of a lot about this. It's just launched in Australia, so it's been available overseas. This is their first foray into the Australian market, and I'm expecting like the duck's nuts, to be honest. It's from Switzerland, I'm judging by what it says on the box here. Established 1931, and this thing costs $4,000 here in Australia, so that's a lot. That's about 2.5 grand more than the last coffee review that I did, which was the DeLonghi Rivalia, which I thought was great. So this thing's got a lot to live up to for that price, but I'm really excited to find out whether it delivers. Now it's come in 2 boxes, and here there's a Cool Control, and I'm not 100% sure whether they come together or whether they've sent me an extra accessory here. So do keep an eye on the channel because I will be going live with a full in-depth review, but it just arrived, so I thought why not unpack it in front of you guys so you can see what to expect. So let's start with the big box, which is definitely part of what you're paying for. All right. It makes it need to be a big machine, not just because of the box, but just looking at the photos. We got here, so we've got little Jura, I think it's pronounced Jura. Wow, like a proper old school manual. Don't get that too often nowadays. Which came in its own little pouchy, Velcro pouch. Impressive. Okay, we've got little coffee scoop, and I don't know what that's going to end up being, but it looks like a little bit of a funnel. It just feels like typical cheap plastic. A bit surprised by. I would have thought metal. A syrup attachment. Okay, this is interesting. So I feel like I'm going to have to do some plenty of education on this machine to work out exactly what all these bits and pieces do. I haven't seen one of those before. A syrup. So I guess you can put like little bits of caramel and stuff like that in your coffee. That's pretty cool. Very cool. What have we got here? Some sort of cleaning. My eyes are nowhere near good enough to read print that small. I'm taking this as some sort of descaler or cleaner of some sort. All right. Let's pull this thing out of the box. Ooh, okay, that's the water. So I found the water. Just tried to pick it up by that. So it came straight off. Okay. Feels nicely made. Feels like a real thick plastic. It's decent size. That's going to hold a fair bit of water, I think. Okay, let's try again. This is where all of my 6'4" comes into its own. Not on buses, but pulling stuff out of high boxes. Okay. Right. Okay. And there we have the machine. Is that the, oh no, there's a little bit more in here. So we've got something in here which looks, oh, it's got actually a couple more of those syrupy things in there. Is that going to be milk, maybe? Find out. And a free sample of something that sorry, I just cannot read without my glasses. I'm getting too old. And finally, a cable. How long is that? Because it looks pretty short. That's about 1 meter, I reckon. So 1 meter long cable. It's on the short side. It's not too bad. Okay, so that is everything in this box. I'll get that out of the way. And then we'll have a look in that little box as well. So I'm wondering if this, just judging by the name of it, which is Cool Control, this could be cold brew related. That's just going to slide back in there, hopefully. Yeah. Nice as you expect. So it's got a metal look, but it's just plastic. saying there, that's just plastic as well. I'm a bit surprised by that, honestly, that, you know, at that price point, I would have expected metal. It's potentially unnecessary, but okay, what do we got here? Okay, this thing's a reasonably complicated second device. It's pretty significant. It's got battery charge on top by the looks of it. You can see there. So a battery, it looks like a battery indicator to me, but maybe it's something else. And the charging cable as well, which is far longer. So getting closer to probably 1.7, something like that. And one Jura menu, which is making me think it could potentially be a separate accessory, but we'll see. We'll look that up. Okay. So my first initial thoughts straight away are, like I said, it's big. That's a big machine. Like I said as well, I'm kind of surprised that it's got plastic finishes to it, like chrome polish look to it, as opposed to just being proper metal. And over here, we've got another whole separate device, which we'll find out what that does, but together it's even more real estate. And then that obviously sits on there, doing whatever that thing does. So we're going to find out that. We're going to jump into a full review, so make sure you keep an eye on the channel. But anyway, that's a quick unboxing of the Jura J8 Twin automatic coffee machine. Brand new in Australia. We haven't seen this brand in Australia before, so we're going to take it through its paces. And I'll go back to you with my thoughts and how it compares with the Philips and the DeLonghi's and the other ones that I've used, the Sunbeams. And we'll see whether or not this thing justifies its price point and is a welcome entry into the Australian market. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm Chris Stead. Make sure you check out my other videos, and until next time, I'll check you later.